Hi, this is Ken. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Ako po si Ken, the Flying Adobo, who loves to travel, who loves food, and loves sharing it with you. Isa din po kong cabin crew who would like to inspire future cabin crew like you. Kaya po join me on this channel, hit the notification button para po lagi kayo updated sa ating mga ganap sa channel ito. Maraming salamat po. Hello guys, welcome back. Dumating tayo dito sa Bangkok, Thailand at 7:30 AM. I just woke up and took a shower. So now it's almost 10 o'clock. We're gonna take the free shuttle to the mall para tayo mag-food trip and bili tayo ng mga Thai fruits. And ang challenge for today is our 1,000 baht challenge. So 1,000 baht is about $31 or 1,600 pesos. So titignan po natin kung anong makakain natin sa 1,000 baht at saka anong mga Thai fruits na mabibili natin with this money. So kaya samahan niyo po ako. Okay, so let's start our food trip and take a free shuttle ride to Rama Central 9. And guys, so nandito na tayo sa Rama Central 9. Papasok tayo there in Robinson's Mall. So we're going to go to the grocery and magpo-food trip. Tara! Meron silang mini market, parang food stalls. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Here in the food market, you can buy fruits, local sweet treats, street food, and much more. So I got this for 50 baht. So titikman natin. Lasang puto. Not too sweet. Plus fluffy inside. It's actually really good. Chicken. One, please. And guys, so we got this for 100 baht. Longgan. So meron pa tayong 750 baht. Ayan guys, so ito yung top supermarket from our 1,000 baht, meron pa tayong 750 baht. At meron akong reusable bag para sa environment, para mawalang plastic ang ating mundo. Tara, shopping tayo! So guys, I got my cash card worth 250 baht. So in 250 baht, you're gonna use to buy any meals on this stall. So meron pa tayong mga 370 baht. So tingnan natin kung ano pa mabibili natin later on. Pad Thai. Tikman na natin. Ang sarap kasi mainit pa. Tapos yung crunchiness ng bean sprout, nakatulong talaga siya. Medyo sweet, but masarap. Titikman naman natin yung pork soup with vegetable in thick sauce. Tikman muna natin yung sabaw. Sobrang thick ng sauce. Tapos lasang-lasa mo yung flavoring niya. Try natin yung meat and vegetable. Sobrang labok ng pork. Crunchy pa yung vegetable. Very nice. Siyempre guys, hindi natin palalagpasin matikman ang kanilang Thai halo-halo. So, this beans, jelly. What is this? Soup? Try. How many more? So ayan guys, so titikman na natin ang version ng Thai halo-halo. So meron din siyang crushed ice, tsaka mga sweet fruits. So So I'm sure the same concept then. Yeah, imi-mix natin siya. What's make it different from sa halo-halo ng Pilipino? Masarap siya kasi coconut milk yung ginamit. Kaya mas healthy, tapos natural sweetness. Very nice, so must try siya sa Bangkok. Guys, so for 60 baht, bumili ako ng egg tart. So apparently this is low fat and low sugar. This is my favorite. I had this in Macau. I had this in Hong Kong. Sobrang must try. And guys, I'm back in the hotel galing sa mall. And from our food trip, flew from base mga 10 p.m. and we arrived here in Bangkok at 7:30. Then I took the shuttle at 10 o'clock para nga kumain and to buy some fruits in the mall. Really exhausted. I'm gonna sleep first, then later on, patuloy natin ating food trip. Good night. Hello, good evening guys. I just woke up, so 8 p.m. na dito sa Bangkok. So I had 6 hours sleep and I am so hungry. Meron pa tayong 390 baht na natira from our budget of 1,000 baht for this 18 hours layover. So tara, order tayo ng food for dinner. Ito ang kanilang menu. Main dishes. So sa 390 baht natin, I think I will go for fried rice, 260 baht plus Coke. So I will have some more money para pantip sa driver later on for pickup. Okay, room service. Okay. So ayan guys, dumating na ang ating dinner sa room service. Ito yung cow pad. So fried rice siya na may beef. Tapos may topping na egg. Merong cucumber at saka tomato. Siyempre lime. Tapos mawawala ba sa Thai food ang fish sauce na may chili. So ngayon titikman natin. Ang tender ng beef. Yung ingredients na ginamit for the fried rice, yung soy sauce, nagko-complement siya sa meat. Plus, hindi siya ganun ka-salty. Tama-tama lang siya. Kahit ito na lang, kahit wala ng ulam, it's all good. Enjoy! Okay guys, so habang kumakain tayo, I'll talk to you about the layovers of cabin crew. So mostly, nagtataka siguro kayo kung bakit minsan may mga layovers na may 18 hours, may 24 hours, 31 hours, or longer than that. Depende po yan guys, kung depende sa airline, how frequent the airline flies to this destination. Like for example, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bangkok in Thailand. Our airline flies here like 4 times a day. So operational reasons, we can only stay about 18 hours or longer, about 24 hours, kasi mabilis ang transition ng aircraft. Kailangan ibalik ulit to base, then lilipad ulit back to Bangkok, and so forth and so on. So depende kung at times if a destination has only a flight to like about twice a week or once a week, so syempre longer yung destination. So by the way guys, itong fried rice natin, hindi siya kailangan ng seasoning, pero with the fish sauce and the egg, mas lalo siyang sumasarap. Enjoy! Okay, here is the breakdown of the food we ate and the fruits we bought from our 1,000 baht budget. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo itong video na to on our short layover here in Bangkok in Thailand. Please comment below for any suggestions or any other topics that you want me to talk about with regards to the life of a cabin crew. See you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Salamat po.